Some of the finest master artisans in the country have pursued and perfected their crafts in the Pocono Mountains. In the 1860s, glassmaker Christian Dorflinger opened a factory midway between Honesdale and Hawley in the small village of White Mills along the Lackawaxen River. Dorflinger had learned glassmaking in his native France before emigrating to the United States as a young boy. He and his brother slowly grew their own business, first in Brooklyn, then in White Mills, until they became the leading glassmakers in the country, receiving orders for fine-cut lead crystalware from distinguished clients, including the White House, from the Lincoln administration all the way to the Wilson administration. Located in two of the original factory buildings, the cutting shop and the factory office, the Dorflinger Factory Museum showcases glassblowing, decorating, and engraving exhibits so visitors can see how the exquisite tableware was made. The buildings themselves are beautiful examples of Pennsylvania bluestone architecture with fine Victorian woodwork inside the factory office. The Dorflinger glass collection at the museum includes more than 2,600 finished glass objects and is one of the largest and most comprehensive collections of Dorflinger glass in the world. Take a tour to see tableware produced for princes and presidents, a regulation-size cut glass baseball bat made for 1913 World Series baseball hero Eddie Murphy, pieces of a Vanderbilt wedding service, pieces from the Ray Laternis collection, and more. The Dorflinger Factory Museum is closed during the winter, so plan your visit during the warmer months. There is an extensive research library with archives devoted to Dorflinger factory operations and life in the industrial village of White Mills. There's more to learn about exquisite crystalware produced here just up the road. Take time to explore the separate complementary museum, the Dorflinger Glass Museum, at the Dorflinger Sudam Wildlife Sanctuary, located in the beautiful former farmhouse home of Christian Dorflinger. This has been Jim Hamill with the Pocono Television Network. Learn more about the Poconos past by watching PTN, the Pocono Television Network, and keep exploring the Pocono history and art trail in White Mills and beyond.